Just on my way to work this morning. Got a beautiful sunrise. Just look at all the deer. I just keep seeing deer everywhere I go. Just fantastic. Look at them run out there. Just a beautiful winter morning. Them beautiful whitetails. Hello everyone, welcome to Knife Delights and welcome to this edition of This Old Knife. If you'll recall, we've been putting this little old knife through its paces, this old electrician's knife. We soaked it and cleaned it up, did a general cleaning on it, and we filed down the kick on it so the blade wasn't so proud, and then we worked really hard trying to get a mirror finish on that blade, sanding on it, and we've got that. So in this installment I received a Work Sharp sharpener from RJ at RJ's Knives, and this is the pocket knife sharpener, and it's packable, lightweight, and compact. So it does have an angled, what do you want to say? It has a guided angle, I guess is what I want to say, if I can get the words out. And I believe that's at about a 25-degree angle. I did watch a video put out by Work Sharp on how to use this sharpener. So I just thought it'd be kind of fun to see if we could get this old knife to have a usable blade on it, a sharpened blade. Now, good old Frog at Freedom Frog Gear, he loves to cut peanuts, so let's just start out here and see how we do on our peanut. Well, it actually isn't too bad right now. It's somewhat sharp. Let's see if we can improve it. So, in their instruction video, and this is about 400 grit, I believe, and a 25-degree angle. So they're saying just lay your knife there on the top, get that angle, and we want to do about 10 strokes. They said 5 to 10. I will say it's kind of hard to do looking through the camera here, but we got 10 there. So then we want to feel to see if we've got any kind of a burr. Oh yeah, I can feel a burr right there. I can feel it on the edge. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but it did get a burr. So now that we have a burr, we want to go 10 strokes back the other way. Okay, we've got our 10 strokes there, and it does feel a lot sharper. So now what we want to do is we want to go about 5 strokes, I think, this way on the ceramic rod. And we'll try doing 10, excuse me, try doing 10 back the other way. Okay, we've done that. I'm not feeling any kind of a burr, and you can see we're getting an edge there. So that's now, oh, it feels a lot sharper. Let's try another peanut. See what happens. Well, until it got to the end, I didn't quite want to cut through. I wasn't putting a lot of pressure on there, but it did seem to slice through it a lot easier. Oh yeah, slice through it a lot easier. So there, just a quick touch up on that blade made a big difference. So this sharpener here, it's not meant to be your end all to be all sharpener. Like I said, it's a set 25-degree angle. Some people like to put different angles on. And when you're at home and in your workshop and you got time to put a better edge on, you can. But let's just say you're an electrician and you're out doing a hard day's work with your knife and you're halfway through the workday and your knife's getting dull and you need to get an edge back on there to get you through the rest of the day. Why, a little sharpener just like this will come in pretty handy. So I want to say this is kind of a success. That didn't take long at all to get a better edge on this knife. Well, I certainly hope you've enjoyed this video. And until next time, have a very delightful day.